all things cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, decentralized finance, cryptographic encryption, Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins, and everything in between coins. Pleasure to see you guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, XRP, investment, finance, trading strategies, day trading, cryptographic encryption, Bitcoin, blockchain. We just got started, so don't go anywhere. Trying to find the hottest and freshest plays. The largest airdrop in crypto history has finally been confirmed. Pump Fund's airdrop is coming this week. Pump Fund airdrop this week. And literally everybody qualifies, is the craziest part. If you just have an account on Pump Fund, if you've ever used the app and ever made an account, you qualify for $100. Depending on your activity in the app, if you've deployed coins, if you're a streamer, if you have a lot of on-chain volume, if you use terminal, if you use the mobile app, all of these things give you bonuses and multipliers that give you an increased allocation for the airdrop. So everyone at the base level is getting $100. The higher tiers are worth around 50,000, 25,000 is the middle tier. There's a 10,000 tier, an 800, a 300. And the craziest part is the price of Pump Fund is down so much right now that if Pump Fund even just goes to half of its all-time high, the top tier will literally make over $100,000 from this airdrop. Everyone on the bottom tier, if you hold it to the Pump Fund all-time high, you'll make $400. Literally everyone qualifies. It's just an automatic guarantee. If you've made the account on Pump Fund, I'm talking about the biggest Pump Fund, the Pump Fund airdrop is coming. It's the biggest airdrop in Solana history. They finally announced it. It's happening this Friday. You can check your allocation right now on the Pump Fund website. It's basically a pop-up. Look, when you go to the app, it looks like this. They've added a new pop-up. You can't claim it yet, but when you go to the website, you see right here, it says, welcome to Pump Fund Rewards. We're prepping community distribution to reward active users. Eligibility will vary based on platform activity and participation. An airdrop is free crypto. It's literally free crypto. So the Pump Fund airdrop, they announced it over a year ago. Now it's finally happening this week. This Friday, the claim will open. You can gauge your allocation right here. I just made a video about it. If you go and check out on my TikTok, let me show you. So go and check out my most recent TikTok. Here's how it works. Right now you guys are watching my stream. Click in the top right, see my profile, click it when it pops up, then click over here. See that? Whoops.
Literally everybody qualifies. The long-awaited Pump Fund airdrop is happening this Friday. After first being announced literally over a year ago, the official announcement was just posted on the team's social media and on the platform itself. And it's shaping up to be one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history. They've allocated over $100 million worth of pump tokens for this airdrop. This is after Pump Fund became the first ever Solana protocol to earn $1 billion in revenue. The snapshot has already been taken, and literally everybody with an account qualifies. But of course, depending on how much you use the platform, you might get more or less.
How much will I get? I use the calculator and I qualify for the highest tier, which right now is worth $52,184. I'm gonna get $52,000 from Pump Fund. I'm in the highest tier because I've been streaming so much on my token. Streamers and devs are the highest allocated tiers. Traders with high volume are up there. People that download the Pump Fund app, people that use terminal, they're also up there. On-chain volume is part of it. But the minimum qualifying airdrop is literally $100. Like if you just have a Pump Fund account, then you automatically qualify for $100. It's crazy. It's going to be one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history. It's happening this Friday. The claim opens. Go and watch that video for the full details. If you want to get to it, it's right here. Sorry. So on the top right, you click my profile. Then you click this when it pops up. Then you go in here. on the left, and you'll see the full video right here. Go check it out. It has all the details. The most anticipated airdrop in crypto history is finally here. The Pump Fun airdrop. It's going to be crazy. Mr. Yvan says, immediately I swapped to this coin. I never got the coins on my wallet, and my Solana is gone.
This is a
That's just
crypto
not
rap
possible.
exclusive.
If you swap for the coin, then you got the coin. Bro, I liked one video about trading, and now my whole FYP is trading. Well, Ezekiel, you're in the right place, bro. If you don't want to work some shitty job where you're miserable for the rest of your life, and instead you want to actually run up a bag and become financially free, learn about trading, bro. Meme coins are fun. They're awesome. They're interesting. And you can make a lot of money doing it. Is trading good? Totally, bro. Don't get me wrong, it's not easy. It's kind of hard. But if you lean in and you learn and you focus, you study and you practice, you'll be successful. The airdrop is happening, bro. It's happening. They said, wouldn't everyone just spam open accounts for the $100? No, it doesn't work that way. Watch the video to figure out how it works. The video breaks down everything. It's too much to talk about on the stream. But you just go here, you click in the top right, then you click in the right middle, over there on the left, brand new video about the biggest airdrop in crypto history. Pump Fun is giving everyone at least $100. Top tier earners are getting $50,000. $100 million in pump tokens allocated for this. It's crazy. Ezekiel says, can you start at a young age? For sure, bro. For sure. So basically, airdrop is about how much trade right now in pump, right? Well, so if you pretend you just made an account and you've never used anything. If you just made an account and you've never used anything, then you get $100. If you trade a lot, if you've downloaded Terminal, if you've dev'd coins, if you've downloaded the mobile app, all of these increase your tier. If you have a lot of on-chain volume, if you've ever streamed, if you've ever watched a stream, all of these basically add points to your account. And if you watch the video, it breaks it down and how you can do the reward calculator and all that. So just go check it out. The snapshot's already been taken. There's nothing you can do now to increase your standing, but it's pretty crazy. You don't see the airdrop video? Then you're blind, bro. You click on the top right, you click on the right here, and then over here on the left. That's where it is. Chris says, Oz showed me some pics of you guys at ETH. Respect. Shout out to Oz. He's a legend. Should you start, says Ezekiel? Yes, you should start. It's not up yet? It's literally right here. What are you talking about? There is no video? Brothers, are you guys funny? This is my account. I'm on a different account right now. You go here and then you go on the left. It's that easy. I'm on a separate account right now. You guys aren't seeing it? That's pretty strange. Ezekiel says he sees it. Snoopy says he saw it. What is a snapshot? A snapshot basically tracks your activity on chain. Zeta says he sees it. Yeah, I don't know. The video should definitely be there. Yeah, that's pretty strange. Seems like everyone can see it except for you. Maybe you're not going to get the airdrop, little bro. Sorry. Do you live in the UK or something? Let's look around. Grok Shark. The fuck is this? Is it hard to do this? It's pretty hard, but the sooner you start, the more you practice, and the more you study, the easier it'll get. Happy Why Not Wednesday, Clive. Happy Why Not Wednesday. Gake had a 10K buy? A 10K buy of what? Snoopy says, yo, we're getting an airdrop. Let's go. From Germany, you can see it or you cannot see it? Grok Shark. Why the fuck would Gake buy $10,000 of this? Is she stupid? Interesting. Maybe the video just doesn't show up in Europe for some reason. Am I streaming later? Pump One team trying to jump on. Oh, you're trying to jump on today? This is my last stream of the night, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. But I'll be awake in like maybe 8 hours or so if you guys are down to do it then.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
You're in Australia and you can't see it? That's so strange, honestly. I guess
This is a crypto
maybe,
rap exclusive.
maybe TikTok like maybe it automatically censored it for some reason in regions besides the United States. That's pretty strange. Maybe they don't like that I'm talking about Pump Fun or Airdrop. Like it's definitely there. Like I'm literally here on my alternate account right now. Like this is not my main account. Torta says Passover Airdrop, very on brand for Pump Fun. Yeah, the video's on my account. Can I explain it? I just explained it. Here, I'll just play the video for you guys, I guess, but I would rather you guys go and interact with the video. So strange that you guys can't see it. There's 8 likes on it. There's 3 shares. There's 2 comments. Like, it's not... Like, people definitely see it. Bullish on Why Not Wednesday? It's going to be a banger. It's going to be a banger. Do I use Axiom or GMGN? I use Axiom. We can't see the video. Yeah, I've been getting that a lot, but I don't know why not. Perry on, Pump Fun legit airdropping, bro. Watch the video that I posted. Can you see it? What happened to Memescope Monday? It was fine, but it was honestly underwhelming. But it's okay, because now Pump Fun is going to save us all with the airdrop. Over $100 million worth of pump tokens allocated. Literally, the minimum qualification tier is $100 for free. We're going to be up a house. Perry on, you're probably going to get a lot, bro, because it's based on on-chain volume, too. It's crazy. In 1 week, how many times do you trade? 1,000. 1,000. Putting it all in Why Not? That's what I'm saying. Happy Why Not Wednesday, bro. Happy Why Not Wednesday, everybody. We're locked in the trenches right now. Another day, another dollar. Let's take a look around. Man, there's nothing in here. Please tell me Gake didn't actually buy 10,000 of this. If Gake actually bought 10,000 of this, then she might be washed. I'm not gonna lie. Like, Gake buying 10,000 of this just doesn't make any sense to me. That can't be, honestly. It would be probably her worst trade of all time. Show the video. Like, I honestly don't know what your guys' problem is, because the video is literally there. Look, here's on a third alt account. This is 3 separate alt accounts. Here's my stream. You click in the top right, click in the middle right. The video is right there on the left. Literally 10 likes on it. Like, the video exists.
After first being announced literally over a year ago. The official announcement was just posted on the team's social media and on the platform itself. And it's shaping up to be one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history. They've allocated over $100 million worth of pump tokens for this airdrop. This is after Pump Fun became the first ever Solana protocol to earn $1 billion in revenue. The snapshot has already been taken, and literally everybody with an account qualifies. But of course, depending on how much you use the
This is a
platform, you might
crypto
get
Crypto
more
Rap
or less
exclusive.
tokens. The highest tier is worth over $50,000, with the middle tier at $20,000 and the lowest tier being 100 flat. Devs and streamers are the ones that are earning the most. If you've created multiple migrated tokens or streamed for multiple days, you'll be rewarded. The base level is 100, and that's just for having a pump account in the first place. If you've done a lot of on-chain volume, held coins for long periods of time, or even just used the mobile app, these will all increase the amount of your allocation. The claim opens up this Friday on the 3rd, and it will have a window of 1 week for you to claim your tokens. You're probably already eligible according to the snapshot, and they've added an airdrop calculator tool on their Pump website. Just click into the new pop-up tab on the site that talks about Pump Fund rewards.
Is this April Fool's? Are you serious? Bro, there's literally a screenshot from the website. Like, is this April Fool's? There's literally a screenshot from the website. Are you serious? You gotta turn your brain on, bro.
Pop-up tab on the site that talks about Pump Fund rewards and find out how many tokens you're gonna earn. This airdrop could change the trenches forever and bring so many investors back into trading. The fact that everyone gets at least 100 is insane, and I bet the trenches will be on fire that day. As part of the announcement, they also confirmed a new buyback and burn mechanism which will drive up the price of Pump over the next few weeks. Are you excited for the biggest airdrop in crypto history? How much do you actually qualify for? I checked the
This is a
calculator, and as a
Crypto
top
Rap
tier streamer, I'm
exclusive.
literally
I'm getting over 50,000.
Go check your allocation.
50,000 for being a top streamer. Isn't that crazy? It's pretty crazy. Pump Fun airdrop is going to be a banger. Look, like, I don't know what you guys are talking. Paladin literally said, I used the payout calculator and I'm getting $670. Like, are you guys funny? This guy said, I just checked and I'm the 3rd tier. I'm going to get 800. This guy said, holy moly, I'm going to get 5 racks. Like, what? You guys think it's a joke? Fine. If you think it's a joke, then don't claim it. Bots. Definitely bots that know the exact context of the video and are able to comment, bro. That makes a lot of sense. There's definitely bots that are able to know the exact context of the video. Paladin is right there in the chat, by the way. Like, it's fine. If you guys don't claim, then there's more for the rest of us. Can you share a Sure Telegram Trenches link? Brother, what the fuck are you asking for right now? What on God's green earth are you asking for? Who on the entire planet said anything about a fucking Telegram chat? Have you seen the X feed for Ynot? It's been unhinged, bro. It's been unhinged. Tomorrow, the Hero Metaverse app launches. Oh, that's pretty sick. Have they been play testing it? Have you seen it at all? You're making 20 accounts. It doesn't work because the snapshot's already been taken. You can't just make a bunch of accounts. It's gonna be a banger. I'm so surprised that it's like literally not showing up for you guys though, because usually that would be a problem with copyrighted audio, but this is not copyrighted audio. I meant, where can I always copy trade signals? ... I think you should never trade cryptocurrency. I think you should probably just give up now and never trade cryptocurrency. I don't think it's right for you. I think you should probably just go and get a job. It's time for you to hang up the hat, bro. Just give it up. Never trade cryptocurrency in your entire life. It's not going to work for you, bro. I like to say that anybody can make it in this industry, but you can't. Your IQ is just too low, bro. You are not a human being. You are a sheep. This is not the industry for you, bro. It's time for you to go and get a job. Why not at 100K? Why not at 100K? Bruh, it's not at 100K, it's at 30K. Come on, bruh. can't lie about that on Why Not Wednesday, bro. Oh, you just came out of a time machine. I see. We're right there on Pump Fun Live. 31,000. Let's keep looking around. There's not really anything moving right now. It's a pretty low-key time in the trenches. Memescope Monday was a shitfest. Do you say that? Can you claim the drop on the app? Right now, the calculator is only available on the desktop. They probably will add it to that app, or you'll at least be able to claim on the app, but the calculator is only available on the desktop right now.
This is a Crypto Rap exclusive.
Booting your laptop as we speak. Godspeed, bro. Why are they realizing this shit on April Fools? It's a bit fishy. Brother, you realize they're literally a company with a $4 billion valuation that's done $1 billion in revenue. You think they're just going to make a joke? You think a random day of the year is just has any impact on them or their business dealings? Are you serious? D says, any luck on Lucky Miner? Yeah, somebody did hit a block today, actually. It wasn't me, but somebody did hit a block today during the power mining event. Cheers, John. It's a pleasure to see you. Yeah, this is just a quick little stream. I'm probably going to get off in around 9 minutes or so. Just doing this to boost the video pretty much. I just posted it. Nobody's watching anyway, so that's fine. I just posted a video about the upcoming Pump Fun airdrop. You guys should definitely go check it out. The video that I can't see. Yeah, well, that's a skill issue, bro, because literally everybody else can see it. Here's my live. If you click in the top right, you click my profile picture, and then you click it again when it pops up. Then over here on the left, this green video. This is the video about the upcoming Pump Fun airdrop.
After first being announced literally over a year ago, the official announcement was dropping crypto is finally here. And the biggest airdrop in crypto is finally here. And literally everybody qualifies. The long-awaited Pump Fun airdrop is happening this Friday. After first being announced literally over a year ago, the official announcement was just posted on the team's social media and on the platform itself. And it's shaping up to be one of the biggest airdrops in crypto history. They've allocated over $100 million worth of pump tokens for this airdrop. This is after Pump Fun became the first ever Solana protocol to earn $1 billion in revenue. The snapshot has already been taken, and literally everybody with an account qualifies. But of course, depending on how much you use the platform, you might get more or less tokens. The highest tier is worth over $50,000, with a middle tier at $20,000 and the lowest tier being 100 flat. Devs and streamers are the ones that are earning the most. If you've created multiple migrated tokens or streamed for multiple days, you'll be rewarded. The base level is 100, and that's just for having a pump account in the first place. If you've done a lot of on-chain volume, held coins for long periods of time, or even just used the mobile app, these will all increase the amount of your allocation. The claim opens up this Friday on the 3rd, and it will have a window of 1 week for you to claim your tokens. You're probably already eligible according to the snapshot, and they've added an airdrop calculator tool on their Pump website. Just click into the new pop-up tab on the site that talks about Pump Fun rewards, and find out how many tokens you're gonna earn. This airdrop could change the trenches forever and bring so many investors back into trading. The fact that everyone gets at least 100 is insane, and I bet the trenches will be on fire that day. As part of the announcement, they also confirmed a new buyback and burn mechanism which will drive up the price of pump over the next few weeks. Are you excited for the biggest airdrop in crypto history? How much do you actually qualify for? I checked the calculator, and as a top tier streamer, I'm literally getting over 50 racks. Go check your allocation, get ready
This
for
is a
that claim and
crypto
hit
rap
the trenches
exclusive.
because they're gonna be on fire. April Fools, you really thought that Pump Fun was gonna do an airdrop? Everybody leave a comment pretending that this video is real so we can trick everybody. The biggest airdrop in crypto is finally here.
Got you. I got you. Oh, I got you. You really thought Pump Fun was gonna do an airdrop, chat? Come on. Come on. Don't even be funny, chat. Don't even be funny. Everyone go interact with that video. Everyone hit it with a like, with a comment. The airdrop was actually unironically promised over a year ago. The airdrop was... Go and show some love to that video though. Tap in the top right, tap my profile picture, and then go over here on the left, hit a like, comment, save. Drop a comment about how much you're getting from this airdrop. Go show some love. You should have let it go all day? What do you mean? I am going to let it go all day. I'm going to be talking about the Pump Fun airdrop all day. You guys just play along. We'll just trick everybody. Yeah, you guys say that it's not on my profile, but that's really weird because it definitely is. It must have for some reason been banned from your region. Maybe Pump Fun is illegal in your country. Ooh, that's the only thing I can think of. Like, the video exists. There's no question about that. Crypto space is so fake. 99% of the people are fake shillers shilling the worst crap projects. Yes, that's true. You're 100% right. Just wait till you find out about the regular stock market. Bro, you done me good. I was planning what to do with it. Was there a big runner in the last 6 hours? Nah. Not really, honestly. Zen is up to 4.6 million now, though. Literally God candling. You see this? Cracked just under 5 million on Zen. This is like another random mooner. MetaMask airdrop coming too. Well, that's not even funny. MetaMask has actually said that they were going to do an airdrop, so. But is it actually going to be worth anything? Probably not. You got to pump it up. What are we aping with the Pump Fun airdrop? That's a good question, bro. The trenches are going to be so on fire, bro. Like, literally everybody's getting allocation, so there's going to be a lot of money flying around. When is the airdrop? It's this Friday. You guys, how come you guys never watch my videos? Like, there's literally a video. I talked about every detail. Go and watch the video. This is my profile in the top right. Click it when it pops up in the middle. This video on the left in green. Like, comment, save, repost. Go interact with this video. Go watch the whole thing. It'll tell you everything. Go watch this video. Sponsor it? I would, but they probably wouldn't let me. I mean, if they literally region locked it so that you guys can't see it, like, if people aren't seeing it, then I'm not sure that they'll even let me boost it. Am I only streaming on TikTok? No, I'm live on TikTok, I'm live on X, I'm live on YouTube, I'm live on Twitch, I'm live on Kick, and if you go and look at Pump Fun, I am the top featured live on Pump Fun as well. Look at that, $6 million market cap on Zen. It's having an insane upward break right now. None of you guys are even paying attention to this, but it just doubled in market cap. Doubled in market cap, chat. And none of you guys caught this. Hey, good to see you, West. Welcome. Welcome. That wick was you? You just threw in 20 racks? Nice. Now do that on Ynot. Not sure whether you're kidding about Zen. I'm sus now. Bruh, people who are skeptical about everything, people who are skeptical on everything on April Fools, you guys, you're too paranoid. How could I be joking about this? It's literally ×2 right in front of us, bro. The coin is fake, don't get me wrong. It's all artificial volume. Like, none of this is real, but who cares? Like, you could have bought down here and you would be up quite a bit. You've been in this since 200K? So you're up a lot right now, right? Like, you're making a ton of money. This thing just wicked up to $7 million market cap. It's like the craziest, most upward parabolic jump. Like, are you guys seeing this? It went from 3.4 million to 7 million. It doubled. Good to see you, Silver. Welcome. This thing just doubled in market cap. It's got insane volume. I've never used the Pump app. I only used Phantom. Would I qualify? Unfortunately, no. If you've never used the Pump Fun app or the Pump Fun website, then you do not qualify. It's only for people that have used the app or the website. Watch the video for full details. I want to learn how to trade memes. Nice. Good luck, bro. I hope you make it. It's hard out there in the trenches, but you can do it. Did I see Claire coin? What the fuck is Claire coin? Oh, I did actually. Is it valid? It's fine. It's going up. It's like an AI narrative thing. I don't know about that. No shit, it's at 6 million. I got in at 500K. Nice, well done. Yeah, it's just crossed past 7 million. Looks like it's on a tear directly to 10 million right now. This is some insane motion. Highest market cap coin to launch in a while. It's totally fake, but that doesn't matter. It's still money. I wonder how high it's going to rip, honestly. Let's switch to a 1 second candle. Look at the 1 second chart here. Crazy
This is a
motion.
crypto rap exclusive.
Crazy motion. Thanks for the follow. I appreciate that. Why are you lying about airdrop, bro? They haven't said anything. Stare, are you stupid? Did you watch the video or not? I break down every single detail. What do you mean they haven't said anything? Look, there's literally 7 people that commented on this video. Let me read the comments. This could change the trenches forever. I used the payout calculator. I'm getting $670. Hey, holy moly, I'm gonna get 5 racks. Wow, I just checked and I'm in the 3rd tier. I'm gonna get 800. Bro, thank you. I'm getting $6,000. Yeah, bro, 7 people, 7 totally different people randomly decided to lie on my post, bro. I think you're funny, man. They post it on their social media and it's also on the official Pump Fun website. There's even a pop-up in the app, bro. Like, you guys are funny. It's gonna be the biggest airdrop in crypto history.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Ale182807 says, let's pump, why not? Do it, bro. Look, 7.7 million now. It's about to be 8 million. Why is that flying? What's it about? This is Zen. Zen. 8.36, 8.5 million. Do you guys see? This is legendary right now. Like, you guys aren't even hype. You guys just watched a coin go from 3.4 million to 9 million. And you guys aren't even hype. This has happened in less than 10 minutes. In less than 10 minutes, this coin just gained $5 million market cap. Are you guys serious?
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Is this a trap? I would not buy the top of this candle, I'm not gonna lie. Paladin says, you called it earlier. You said the chart looked like the other crimed coin runner that hit 20 million. I did. I said on my stream that this chart looked exactly like Rage, that it followed the same pattern, that it had the same painting on the chart, that it moved exactly the same way. Rage went to $20 million market cap. Zen is now up to $9 million market cap. What a coincidence. Jose says, wait, I saw this earlier at 2 million. Yeah, this thing just ripped up to 9 million in one candle. It's about to take another leg up. Same dev? Absolutely. It is definitely probably the same dev. Whoever this is washing a ton of money lately. Let's throw a pitch fan on this.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Insane.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Insane.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
I just started trading memes. Do you think that for a beginner, 2 Sol is enough? 2 Sol is more than enough, bro. You want to invest less until you win more. God damn, look at that fucking candle. 8 million and 9 million in one candle. Jesus Christ. Yeah, 2 Sol is more than enough. Everything that you invest when you first start out, you're going to lose. Like, you're literally going to lose everything. So start small. You can learn the same lesson by losing $20 that you learn by losing $200. So start small. Holding some Chicky and Claude Buddy, hoping they wake up soon. Sorry, bro. The only coin that's awake right now in the market is this one right here. Pushing damn near $10 million market cap. 10% per entry? 10% is way too much. If you do 10% per entry with 2 Sol, you're doing 0.2 Sol per trade. You're going to lose everything just as quickly as you started. You'll be broke within one day. You should put in no more than 0.05 Sol per trade. And even that is probably too much. I would put in 0.03 if I was you. You have to make sure that you set your fees so that you're not getting rinsed on fees. Focus on knowledge. Knowledge is infinitely more valuable than money when you first get started. Crypto has a steep learning curve. It's the most volatile industry on the planet. If you don't get it, you're going to lose over and over and over again. This is a crypto rap
exclusive.
So start super small. Would I buy right now? Absolutely not. Are you kidding me? Why on God's beautiful green planet would I ever buy this coin? It is a literal crime coin that just went from $3 million market cap to $9 million market cap in 15 minutes. You want me to buy the all-time high of a coin that just tripled in market cap in 15 minutes? Sounds like a good way to lose a lot of money. Good morning, Spartan. How you doing, bro? What is a crime coin? They are literally washing money through this. They're literally money laundering through this coin. How much liquidity is there? 300,000. Top traders are still winning though. 60,000 realized, 25,000 realized, 20,000 realized, 20,000 realized, 16,000 realized, 15,000, 14,000, 14,000, 12,000. There's definitely at least 100,000, but probably more than that pulled out of this chart so far.
Generational wealth.
Thank you for the gifts. I really appreciate it. Why would they be washing it? Why not? Why does anybody wash money? I mean, maybe it's all stolen funds from Memescope Monday. I don't buy coins with holders that have more than 6 wallets. That's a good idea, bro. You should only ever buy coins with less than 6 holders. That's a good idea. Spartan says, how can it have $9 million market cap with only 300K liquidity? That's super standard, bro. Pump fund coins usually have very thin liquidity. That's just a virtue of the platform. Pretty much none of the money that goes into any of these coins actually goes into liquidity. And also nobody cares about liquidity. So people don't add it themselves. Liquidity used to matter like 5 years ago, but nowadays it just doesn't. Obviously it matters like in real life, but in terms of trading psychology, in terms of what people buy, in terms of how it happens in the market, usually people don't care. For example, let's see. Are there any other multi-million coins here? Not really. Like Chicky. Chicky is 500,000 market cap, but it only has 60,000 liquidity. It's about the same ratio that we just saw on Zen. Well, I guess the Zen ratio is a little bit worse. Isn't liquidity the money you need to be able to withdraw a trade? Yes. Yes. So even though this is at $8 million market cap, you definitely cannot withdraw $8 million from this chart. What is Chicky? Can you explain it? I've been seeing it a lot. It's a viral video on TikTok that ended up becoming a very popular GIF on X. It's a dog that dances and he flips off the camera. X is the main battleground for crypto narratives. If you're trending on X, wait, what? Bitcoin drops to $10,000 in a flash crash? No way, chat. It's over. They figured out quantum computing. They hacked Bitcoin. It's $10,000 right now. They just quantum hacked Bitcoin. No way. Satoshi Nakamoto just dumped his full wallet. That's crazy. Damn, they got Beavis and Butthead. Let's see.
This is a crypto rap
Could
exclusive.
TikTok replace X for crypto? Absolutely not. Never. It's not going to happen. The biggest advantage of X is that actual, real, rich people use it. Like billionaires, Silicon Valley tech founders. Elon Musk uses it. The advantage of X is that you're able to actually communicate with other people. On TikTok, you can't communicate with other people. TikTok is the best avenue for onboarding retail to crypto. It's an untapped niche of literally hundreds of millions of potential investors, but it's not X. They're just two fundamentally different platforms. The advantage of X is you can kind of do business on it. It's almost like LinkedIn in a sense. It's a more legitimate platform. What do you think about Clippy? I never really cared for it, but it has been doing pretty well lately. How quickly could you turn 1 soul into 5 soul in this market? You mean theoretically or me personally? Theoretically, you could do it fast, bro. You could probably do it in 1 day. But you'd have to be in the right place at the right time and really clever about how you invest. Me personally, I could probably do it in like an hour. I just have to text a couple friends. Spartan says, X seems like it is too much back and forth, winning and drama. Whining and drama? Yeah. I mean, definitely. That's why it's good for billionaires. Billionaires love to whine and they love drama. Brother, what is on your chart? You've never seen these Fibonacci MACD RSI indicators on meme coins, bro? I would like to be your friend to find coins. Are there any right now you would suggest? Sorry, I only become friends with people that are in the same tax bracket as me, unfortunately. Is the airdrop confirmed? Yeah. Go check my most recent video explaining it. They have too much free time? Yeah, absolutely. They have too much free time.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Chat, do me a huge favor right now. If you guys want to learn about the Pump Fund airdrop, you tap my profile picture, tap it down here, and then you go on the left over here. That right there is the newest video. It's about the Pump Fund airdrop. It is a bombshell revelation. You want to check it out. That coin is in the farm zone right now.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
And the funniest part is they're not actually making fees on it, so it doesn't even make sense for them to be farming it. Viveri NDM says, talking tax brackets when your coin failed miserably. Not sure what you mean by failed miserably. It literally hit $400,000 market cap, double previous all-time high when it was 10 months old. I think that was actually a tremendous success. But suddenly you're talking a lot of shit for someone who was just begging me to send you meme coins to buy. That's how I know you're poor. Poor people only pretend to be kind if they think that they can make money off of you. You're hungry, like a rat. I just liked the video and shared it out. Awesome, Spartan. You should be a firefighter? Why? Because you're asking me to save your finances? Your portfolio is a dumpster fire? This thing did actually crack 10 million right now. Do you guys see this? And it's climbing right back up again. Insane motion on this chart.
This is a crypto rap exclusive.
Pretty impressive. My portfolio is going very well in stocks and real assets. I like watching chimps like you. Keep in mind, the guy calling me a chimp is the guy who said in my chat literally 2 minutes ago, I would like to be your friend to find coins. Are there any right now you would suggest? This guy is calling me a chimp. He said, I would like to be your friend to find coins. Please, are there any right now you would suggest? Come on, little bro. If you had Zen, when would you sell? I definitely would have sold at 10 million. It might keep going. I mean, the pattern seems really similar to the Rage coin. I mean, Rage ended up going to 20 million. I think it's probably the same guy that's washing money through this chart. But yeah. Why would he wash money through the chart? Crypto is a very effective vehicle for money laundering, bro. There's a lot of different advantages to washing your money through a meme coin. You can move large sums. You can claim it as a loss, and you can run up alternate accounts. Everything's on chain. Everything's decentralized. You can move money around. On Solana, the fees are relatively low. If other people are buying into your coin, you can actually end up turning a profit by using this vehicle. Just look at something like Pippin. Pippin literally went to $1 billion market cap. You think there were people who sneaked into the coin when it was at 2 million? Someone in the chat was saying they got in at 200K. Wasn't that you, Jake? How much money you made? Jake got in at 200K. That means that at the top he would have done 50 times. It can clean money faster than real estate. That's real. Yeah, it cleans money faster than a lot of things, especially if you know what you're doing. Then you could just convert it all into Monero or Tron or whatever, and then you can use it anywhere. And people won't be able to track it. Certified 2 times says, that's what I think Trump was, a very large-scale laundering operation. Well, the chart certainly moved like it. And Eric Trump did say that he made over $100 million on it. They said they made over $1 billion off of that project. So, what the hell is Monero? If you look here at the top cryptocurrency assets, Monero is the 18th top
This
crypto.
is a crypto rap.
It has
This is
a
a
market cap
crypto
of
rap
$6 billion.
exclusive.
And it's basically a privacy coin that allows you to launder money. Zen is now at 10.4 million. Look at that. Lukey says, bro, I was in this coin at 50,000 market cap. If you were in this at 50,000 market cap, you would have been up over 500x right now. Why did you sell, bro? You could have done a 500x. You faded 100x. You sold at 1 million, then you faded at 10x from whatever you sold for. What is the average trade size when people get in? 200? Well, if you look right here, you can see this wallet bought 13,000, this wallet bought 10,000, this wallet bought 1,000, 2,000, 15,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000, 1,000. There's definitely a pattern here. They're probably all the same wallets. You can see these ones were all loaded through Binance, and these ones were all loaded through BitGet. One was loaded through Bybit. They bring it to the exchange, they turn it to Monero or to Tron, and the rest is history. How did they not get sandwich attacked? They probably had MEV Protect, or they used their own RPCs. What is the airdrop all about, mate? I can't see the video. Sorry, bro. If you can't see the video, then you can't know. What can you do with Monero? You can use it for criminal activities. 2 chickies. I don't know what I will be buying. Probably neither of them. I don't think you guys understand the scale of the chart that we're looking at right now. This thing literally just went from $3 million to $11 million in less than 30 minutes. It gained literally $8 million in market cap in 30 minutes. Isn't that crazy? First day on the job and you already fell asleep? You actually fell asleep at work, bro? At your brand new fancy job, you fell asleep at work? So are you fired? This guy just got fired. You fell asleep at work at the front desk with the Zen chart open? Not fired, you woke up to a 3x? Nice. Well done. Well, now you're up a lot more than that, right? Is an 80-degree angle on the chart? Totally. MEV is maximum extractive value. It's a bot that front runs you and steals your money. MEV Protect prevents these bots from front running you and stealing your money. What is this coin? This is Zen. Zen. Why pump? Because they're washing money. Zen flying? I'm way ahead of you, brother. I'm right here on the chart. Is the Zen community deleted? No, it looks like it's still there. It says sit, meditate, moon. Chat, they literally had the instructions right there. All you had to do was sit, meditate, and moon. Why didn't you listen? But you didn't have to cut me out. Having friends collect a record with the change of number. Gotta snipe this Zen dev next? Yeah, but this is the first and only coin they've ever made, and it's probably gonna be like that every time. How does the airdrop even work? Because I traded multiple wallets. Well, you'll be able to claim on every wallet that you created a Pump Fun account on. The information's all in the video. Just watch the video. The video I posted. I break it all down in depth. Someone made 719 Solana on the coin. Nice. But you didn't have to stoop so low. Check the top holders of Zen. All are one guy. This is bundled as fuck. Can go from
This
0
is a
to
crypto
1
rap
minute.
exclusive.
TBH. Let's go take a look at the bundles. You claim that it's bundled as fuck. Let's look at the Inside X. There's literally 0 direct bundle connections. Let's look at the bubble map. 0 direct bubble connections. Cabal Spy. There's only one KOL that traded this, and they're already fully out. Faster 100x. I mean, don't get me wrong, bro. I wholeheartedly agree with you that this is all one guy who's just washing money. But I saw a coin last night that was pumping, and it had 88% held by 6 wallets. Jeez. Yeah, that's what White Whale did. Most funded by the same wallet. Yeah. I mean, if you look at the top holders here, the thing to pay attention to is the exchange that they got funded from. If you look at the top traders, they're all pretty much from the same exchanges. You have Binance and BitGet, Binance and BitGet, Binance and BitGet, Binance and BitGet, pretty much down the whole thing. Yesterday I checked, he had a minimum 70% supply. He probably has more than that, bro. They wouldn't be washing this coin if they didn't have supply control. The little guys all ignored this because the narrative was terrible. But sometimes the terrible narrative is the money laundry coin, and it's terrible on purpose so they won't be interrupted by anyone else. It's probably the same guy. The real on-chain sleuthing that you need to do is figure out if it's the same guy that did Rage. Because it definitely is the same guy that did Rage. Yeah, it's the Pippin playbook. Rage was the same way. I mean, the coin was ass. But it ran at 20 million. This is Aping In. The drawing is called Aping In. Alright. I've been live for an hour. It's 2:30 a.m. I gotta go to sleep. Thanks for tuning in. This has been a Crypto Rap exclusive. God bless you. God bless your portfolio. I appreciate you guys. I'll be up in the morning. Take care till then. Have a good one, y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Everyone, last favor, go check out my most recent TikTok posts and go interact with it.